In this video, I will show you how to verify Western Union account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, it is actually an article on the website. However, I'm just going to talk you through the basic process of how to verify your account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is verify your identity. As you can see, it says here, you'll need to verify your identity to send 800 GBP or more. Of course, the currency will be different depending on your country. After your identity has been verified, you'll be able to send up to 50,000 GBP per transfer. There's actually two ways you can go ahead and verify your identity, which is during an online transfer or through video chat. So if you want to do this during an online transfer, you just need to follow these steps, which are to log into your profile and initiate a transfer of 800 GBP or more. If you don't have a profile yet, you can of course create one on westernunion.com or the mobile app. After doing this, just go ahead and enter the required details and select. Confirm your details on the complete your profile page and select continue. Then you need to provide additional identity information and select continue. At this point, you need to choose a government issued ID to upload, so something like a passport or a driver's license, enter its details and select next. Then make sure to review your transfer details and select send. After this, you will be prompted to upload the document. So you just want to upload the document and select upload. Next, you need to choose a proof of address and select upload now. Now, as it says here, we may take 30 minutes or more to verify your identity. And if we do need any additional information, we'll request you to send it to the email here, which is id@westernunion.com. Just to note that if you sent a transfer at a Western Union agent location before, please use the same government issued ID that you used at the location. Just a couple of pointers for your ID as well. Before you upload a copy of documents, be sure of the following: that your picture, signature, birthday, expiration date, and any other important information are clearly visible. Also, make sure that the information does match the information on your Western Union profile, and your documents need to be in a PDF or JPG format. Now, if you want to do this through video chat, what you can do is initiate identity verification by the video chat. There's a link here to click to do that. What you need to do is log into westernunion.com or alternatively use the mobile app. Then what you need to do is select the profile icon at the top right and choose the Start Verification Now option. Then what you need to do is select computer and webcam or smartphone as the medium of video chat. Finally, just follow the instructions to complete the verification. Some notes for the video chat verification are to enable access to your camera and microphone before you start the video chat, and also make sure you've got your ID documents ready to go. Now, the verification for this takes around 4 hours, but once your identity verification is successful, you will receive a confirmation email. So the acceptable documents you can use for identity verification are listed here. So you can use any of the following, which is a passport, an EU EEA issued ID, driving license, residence permit, emergency passport, travel document, asylum seeker, residence permit, or a ship passport. Of course, this is going to vary from country to country, but these are the current requirements if you are in the UK. Now, in terms of acceptable documents as proof of address, what you can do is use your electricity bill, gas bill, phone bill, or a bank or credit card statement. And as mentioned previously, if any additional information is needed, you'll receive an email and basically you'll be requested to send it to id@westernunion.com. And just a final note that the document should be sent as PDFs or JPG file formats. And also make sure your documents are both clear and easy to read. So that's a quick overview on how to verify Western Union account. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.